first 40, get my Migo on the phone. Yeah, my Migo one colorway. He'll pull up first 40.
Hey, Fredo, get up, nigga. We see some news on TV, nigga.
What?
Cops.
Oh, cops?
Sorry about some shit.
Cops?
Yeah, nigga.
Oh.
Well, I don't know.
My favorite TV show.
Show, never mind, we changed it. This is what I was watching. I'm watching some, I'm call it. I watched some, Red Team videos. I was from the right shit. So, yeah, we just changed it. 12 was on the channel. Hold on. Let me turn to the TV, bitch. Turn the fucking channel. What the fuck? No, I was saying 5. The back part channel. 12 was on it, man. 12, man. And they was thinking somebody about the thing. You had to go right up. Look. You got a gun. They had to go right up. 12. I don't know what the hell they doing. They stupid ass.
Bad boys.
You ready?
What you gonna do?
Alright, we gonna bust these bad people down.
Hey, kid, what's good, bitch? Yeah, we haven't called customer yet, dog. What's up? We haven't called customer yet. Oh, what's up, bitch?
Alright, I'm about to put it in park. Alright.
Yeah, bitch. Walking, boy.
Alright, act like a crackhead.
Oh, shit.
Man, I got these cheeseburgers. I got these cheeseburgers, man. Come on. I just want some Coke.
Get your ass off the block. They don't sell shit
I just want Coke.
What
Where the drugs at?
the fuck, man?
Man, F y'all. F y'all. Come on, Roger.
Fuck away from me, man. Get your ass away. What the fuck?
Roger. Hurry up. Come on. They don't want to give me my drugs.
Get your ass out of here.
Oh, man. Oh, come on. Chop, chop.
Oh, my bad, bitch. Get your ass out of here.
Alright. Alright, power.
Got no money on.
Okay. Stop right here. Alright.
Hey, yo, cut.
Alright. Rasha, get out. You gonna go through the back, I'll go through the front. Alright. Go. Come on, they back here. Well. I ain't cutting. This is LA. Come on. Yeah, you know who I am? I'm an undercover police officer. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Oh, they're running. Hurry up. Oh, come on. Oh. Come on, we got 2 suspects. They're running northbound. They on PCP. They on meth heads. Come on, hurry up. Come on, I'm about to pop him. Hey. Oh man, he getting away. Man, where'd he go? Man, where'd he go? I don't know where that dude went. Man. Yo, put your hands up. Oh man, I got hit by a car. Hey, yo, put your hands up. Man, that was a funny episode of Cops, yo.
Nah.
That was when he got hit by that truck.
Your ass stupid.
When he got hit by that.
Give me a fucking cheeseburger. Your ass stupid.
I know he was talking about cheeseburgers. Alright, y'all trying to pull up to the store or something?
If I said no, that nigga run off the crackhead, climb out.
Yeah, he like the crackhead from the Cops video. I swear.
Get my Migo on